Hey Internet, today's topic is should universities have a 50-50 theory-practical approach for engineering? Department comparisons. I'm not sure if other universities have a similar approach or they just use a majority theory. So for our university, it's a little bit weird because the electrical department is near 50-50. It's about 70-30, 60-40. It varies from semester to semester. Sometimes it is 50-50. Now for mechanical department, it's like 95-5 or 90-10, which is theory versus practical. Now, some would argue that the cost of having 50-50 is quite high, but I don't think that is the case. They can just include low-cost practical examples or like low-cost labs to demonstrate what's been taught. As for it's no longer a degree because it's too practical, well, you can have like the practical labs and experiments and just test the theory. Okay, now here's a little story slash mini rant. There's a so this is a student in my year, a third year student. So he's quite a smart dude. He's like A+ student. Now he asked the question, how do you measure torque? And that's like quite a surprising question because like a third year student, mechanical student no less, should know how to measure torque, right? You use a torque wrench. So the context was that we're measuring torque on a bolt, right? So I'm not hating on a student because he's an A+ student. Maybe he went through school and didn't do any like automotive or anything like that, so maybe he didn't know. Now, I can forgive it if it's like first year, but it's third year and you don't know it, and that's a little bit of a concern. So would 50-50 practical make it better? Maybe the student would be better and like learn that a torque wrench is actually how you measure torque on a bolt. It's hard to say, but I think like once you learn it, the theory, you should really apply it. You know, not just read the book and that's it. Like memorize for the test or just know for the test. Or you could say understand, but without any application, it sort of just gets thrown away, gets forgotten. Okay, so coming back to the topic, should universities have 50-50? And more so for mechanical engineering, should it be 50-50? I think so. Like, for mechanical right now, we do use SolidWorks quite often, like, we use that every day, but it's not the same as, like, using your hands to practically do things, right? It's a little different. It's sort of, SolidWorks is the visual bit, but there's no actual physical bit, you know, like, you don't go to the workshop every second day and do things. It's just, you do it on SolidWorks, and that's it. You might do a workshop maybe once every 6 months if you're lucky. So, okay, let me know what you think below in the comments. This is clearly a opinion based video. So, thanks for watching. I hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell and comment. Until next time, see ya.